I'm currently signed into both Uber Eats and DoorDash. I'm gonna be trying to do multi-apping today. Finally, a decent order came through, so I'm gonna take this one. This one is 1.9 miles for $6. It's tropical smoothie, so that should be a quick one to pick up. I'm sitting in the parking lot right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and accept this one. It just started raining again, so hopefully business will pick up. All right, just picked up the first order. This one's from Tropical Smoothie. This one should be pretty quick. I did the craziest thing when I got into my car to go pick up the order. I forgot that my e-brake does not work good, and this is a manual car, so I didn't put it in gear. And then I got out and like almost got to the front door, and I looked back and my car was rolling out into the street. Just picked up my second order. This one is for Uber Eats, and it's $5.05 for 3.3 miles. And I just got done sitting for like 30-45 minutes. As I was on the way to drop that one off, I got another one come through from DoorDash. It was $6 for 4.4 miles, so I took it. I just had a stupid order come through. It was $10 for 25 miles. Just picked up an order for Pizza Hut for DoorDash. This one is 5 something for I think 3 miles. I'm gonna head and drop that one off. So on the way to drop that one off, I had another really good one come in that I took. The last one was for DoorDash. I just picked up one for Uber Eats, which I'm heading to now. And this one is $11 for like maybe 2 or 3 miles. These orders are coming in like crazy. Just picked up another one. And this one is, I think, not even a whole mile. It's like 0.9 miles. And this one was $6 to $7, something like that. Orders still coming in like crazy. I just took a double one. One is from a pizza place, and then I gotta go pick up some from somewhere else. I just had to pass on that second pickup. I went in there, they said it's not quite ready. I asked them how long. She was like, oh, it's probably like 10-15 minutes. So I was like, nah, thanks though. So I walked out of that one. Still gonna take this pizza that I got, and then I'm gonna head back to my spot and try to get some more orders. Just picked up a new order from App. I just got a second to stop. I stopped and got some gas. So far I put about $10 in my tank the entire day. I got an hour and a half left, and these orders have just been coming in like crazy. It's just been non-stop order after order. And I guess that's because I'm using multiple apps at the same time. Not tried this before. I did it one night, but I only went out for like an hour, and I still did pretty good as far as like multi-apping. Just finished up for today. I did a little bit better than I thought I was going to. So with Uber Eats, I was online for a total of 7 hours and 5 minutes. I did 7 trips. For a total of $62.18 with, here's the breakdown. And for DoorDash, I did a total of 7 deliveries, and I was online for a total of, I believe, 7 hours and 9 minutes. And the total for that one was $48.13. So with everything added up, I made $110 and some change. So I was really surprised. That's pretty good, being online for, I think it was, what was it, 7 hours. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.